What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video.
Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex XL. Today you will learn on how to spot a demand zone in a reversal structure. So what do you mean by demand zone in a reversal structure? Usually a demand, in our previous topic, we said that the demand is created when there's a bullish move that breaks the previous high. So in this case, in a reversal structure, a demand is created when there's a bullish momentum that breaks the previous high, and then when the market changed its character from a bearish to bullish. So there's a possibility that it will reverse. So I'm saying that when a market is in a downtrend like this, there is a market shift when it's from a downtrend and then the market moves like this. So there is a shift. We usually call this a change of character. It's a change of character because the price that is market is making here is in a downtrend, like high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So and then it shifted with this movement. So we usually say that there's a market shift. So we call it a change of character. And then it's in a reversal structure because we are seeing a break of structure towards the upside. So a demand is created when there is a break of structure or there's a break of previous high. So sometimes the demand is created here, and let me show you. So sometimes if there's a last down candle within this movement, it is a significant zone where price came back on that area and then goes up again. So let me show you a sample chart that has that reversal structure. So here in our example, in pound USD, you can see here that the market is making a bearish move or a downtrend. You're seeing lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. Here, you may see a change of character. A change of character is when there's a move like this one in a downtrend and the market is changing its behavior. So when we see a changing behavior like this one, it's changing its character from a bearish move to bullish move. So I wanna highlight this one because this mini structure have this move and break this high and changing its character. Not so bullish candles, but here, as you may see here, this structure still broke at this level. So there is a bullish structure towards the upside. And then I want to highlight this one, guys, because um this demand, so this one is created because of this move. This one. So as you can see here, it is very a significant move because it breaks this high. Um after breaking this high, there's this last candle here that caused the break. So we wanna make sure that this is really in a reversal structure because overall we are still in a bearish trend. So we wanna make sure in a lower time frame that it is in sync in our bias. So in 5-minute time frame, as you may see here, okay, the price went back on our POI, swept all the liquidity below this equal lows, and then making a trend, an uptrend. So this one. And then as you notice here again, the candles are not that bullish move in a move in like in a structure, right? Um we want to see that move that have this indicator that it's in a bullish market. So we want to see that grabbing the liquidity and then having that move towards the upside. So you may see here the market is created this liquidity and then it grabs all the way all on this point and then respected this order block here. So you can see that. So if you are still unsure about this, you can still check this move, like breaking this mini structure here towards the upside, and then mark this demand zone here. And then you can enter on this area so that you have a lot of confirmation that you can do the reversal trade. We wanna highlight the confirmations at lower time frame because in this case we are taking or we are taking the trade in a reversal mode. So as much as possible, as much as confirmation is we want to have a lot of confirmation, like multiple breakup structure to the upside and bullish candles within the zone. So that's it, guys. Hope you like this video and see you in the next lesson. Bye.